Okay, so this is my video showing bandaging and wound management. Now I'm just doing a fake scenario with my cat, which hasn't actually got a wound, but I think I can still show what needs to be done. So, for example, if he had a wound on his leg here, firstly we would shave it around it, and that so that hair won't get into it and it won't be further infected if it already is. Also allows us to clean it better and we can have a better look at it. So yeah, we would just give it a clean over, usually with some cotton wool or some swabs. We'd first just have one just damp with normal water. We'd clean that just one direction so it's not bringing any more dirt back up into the wound, and then we'd get another swab or cotton ball with a bit of water and Chlorhex just to give that another bit of a clean, and then we'd wipe that dry again once it's all gotten into the wound and hopefully cleaned it a bit better than it was. Then if it's still a bit oozy or we want it covered, that's when we bandage it. So I would get a swab, maybe folded in half or half again, and then I just put that directly over the wound. Sorry Foxy, good boy. And then I'd get the bandage and wrap that around, making sure that it's not too tight as well because we don't want to cut off the circulation. So just wrap that around a few times. Animals that might pull it off as well, we might bandage all the way down around their foot and back up so they can't just slide that off. But in this case, we just leave it like this. It's alright, Foxy. And yeah, so I can feel that that's not too tight. It's not really tight around here. I can still kind of get a little bit under there. But that should soak up anything that oozes out, and then we check that probably 2, maybe even 3 times during the day so that it can be cleaned again and keep it clear of infection, because if we do find any cause of infection then they'd have to be on certain antibiotics or whatever, and we're obviously trying to prevent that so that the owner doesn't have extra costs and so the animal is safe and healthy. So yeah, we'd obviously keep a close eye on it, and yeah, so obviously other bandaging techniques for various wounds and whatnot, but this is pretty basic, just a small wound. It could be a bite or a scratch wound. That's just keeping it clean is the most important thing. And yeah, also if the cat or the dog was chewing at it, even if it was wrapped the whole leg, then they'd obviously need a cone or to stop them from chewing it. But yeah, I know you're a good cat. And that's basic wound care and management, just keeping it clean and keeping a close eye on it, pretty much to stop the spread of infection. And yeah.